Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create hyperlinks to your citations within a Word document. This way, when someone clicks on a citation in the text, it will instantly take them to the corresponding reference in your reference list. Let's get started. First, open your document and make sure you have both your main text and your references section ready. For example, in the text, you might have something like AI has the potential to transform industries, parentheses 1. And then down below, you have your full reference list. In order to create hyperlinks to your citations, we first need to create bookmarks. So let's see how to create bookmarks. Let's say I need to link citation 1 to reference 1. To do this, I'll place the cursor at the reference and then click on Bookmark. Since bookmarks don't take numbers directly, you need to give them an alphabetical name. For example, I'll name it as 1 and then click Add. For the second reference, I'll create another bookmark and name it 2, then click Add. Likewise, for the third reference, I'll create a bookmark named 3. In this way, you can create bookmarks for all your references. Now that we've created bookmarks, let's link the citations to them. Highlight the citation you want to turn into a hyperlink, such as 1 in the text. Right-click on the highlighted citation and choose Link, or press Ctrl-K on your keyboard. In the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, select Place in this document from the options on the left. Here, you'll see a list of headings, bookmarks, or items from your document. Scroll down and choose the reference you want to link to, in this case, 1. Which corresponds to 1 in the reference list. Click OK, and your citation is now hyperlinked. You'll notice the citation changes color and becomes underlined in blue, indicating that it has been hyperlinked. To test it, hold down the Control key and click on the citation. It should immediately take you to the matching reference at the bottom of your document. Now, let's do the same for citation 2. Select the citation, go to Hyperlink, choose Place in this document, select 2, and click OK. Repeat the same steps for the rest of your citations, like 3 or 4. And that's it. You've successfully created hyperlinks for your citations in MS Word. This makes your document more professional and much easier to navigate. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more valuable tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.